We've got this. Listen up. Tonight's an easy win. We're gonna run some drills on how to make a group call with this. To make a group call, you've gotta set up a group. First, we open the Alexa app. Then we open Communicate. We select contacts, we select add new, we add group. Then we get in there, we add group members, we select continue, and we name the group. Okay, C-L-U-B. Then we select create group. Now you've made the group for you and your friends, and no one else needs to do any additional setup. So go out there and make a group call. Just say, Alexa, call my book club.
Okay, calling the group book club.
That was easy.
Hello.
Hey.
Hi.
Hey.
Okay, so thoughts?
Okay, to be honest, their character arc was plagued by egregious flaws, which ultimately led to their demise. I mean, it was just sad.
Very astute, coach.
Try hands-free group calling on any Echo device. You can do this.